Hello guys, it's Lee. Today what I'm working on is my grass dethatcher. I actually got two of them sitting on my work table back here. I have broken a few of the tines that scratch the grass. You know, they're older. Got them off Marketplace over the years. Ended up I have three of them. Now, I didn't set out to buy three grass dethatchers, but you know, I'm always buying mowers and yard stuff on Marketplace when I see a good deal. And I really don't even remember where they came from, but I probably didn't set out to buy grass dethatchers, but typically what happens is I buy packages. So I'll buy a guy's mower, rod mower, push mower, weed eater, and maybe a grass dethatcher or an aerator or whatever. So I'll go that way. Well, I got two of them here. One is bigger than the other. I don't know the size, maybe 48 inches versus 36 or something like that. But anyway, I got both of them where the tines are broke on both. So I'm gonna combine them to have one good grass dethatcher. Now, you can buy the grass scratchy things, whatever these tines are called right here. And I looked on Amazon and they were like $4 a piece. And I need 7 to make them both complete. And I might do that one day, but so it was at $28 plus tax. So you're looking at 30 bucks. You know, I could have bought them and had really two good ones, but this little one right here, I mean, even if it's fully functionable, I don't even think it would sell for 30 bucks on Marketplace. I mean, you know, they're just, it's just not worth a whole lot. So that's why I'm not buying $30 worth of scratchers, and I don't need 3 of them. So one's going to be a parts machine basically, and the other big one I'll use it. So that's what I'm doing. Also, I'll just show you how I'm doing it. Pretty simple. You don't even know, I guess these are different brands probably, but the procedure is the same. So this is a good one. That's what it should look like right there. So this one was broke, and this well, I already took this one out. So that was broke, this is broke, and these two down here broke. So there's 4 on here broke. And I've already taken that out. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, I'll just take well, this one's broke. So this is making this not complete, or I'd probably use it, even though it's smaller. But I'll take these, I'll just take the back row, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And just swap them over. Like these kind of videos, subscribe to Murphy Mowers. So there you have it. So I got all of them replaced. Very simple process. That's my parts machine now. I'll stick the bolts and nuts back in there just as a backup if I need them. These are the ones I'll throw away that are no good. And then I got, well, those 2 are broke, so I got 3 left over here that I could reuse. And then that thing's no good. And I'll use it for something else. Now I realize this is a very lame, odd little project, but I thought I'd share it with you because we all got dethatchers laying around. And just look at your tines. If you don't have a donor one, they're only $3.99 on Amazon, plus tax, I'm sure. So 4 bucks. Very easy to replace, so you might as well do it and have, because this is it's practically August, so here in a few months I'm really going to have to dethatch and reseed. And so anyway, that's it. That's how I do it. That's what I got. I'm out. working nicely. By the way, I fixed the tongue. I just put a new angle iron on. This is the old one. Had that crack in it right there. It's just a matter of time it's gonna fall apart. Had that on the end. But I created this, it was bent, but it don't really matter on this because it's still gonna pull straight because it's got that pivot point. So anyway, that's it. I'll do a video on that sometime coming up. I'm not ready for it yet. So all that is tight and secure, even though it looks bent up. That's a good solid dethatcher now. Everything's solid and tight.